This, of course, is the famous, the one, the only Little Fuzzy in concert singing, I think of you every time it rains. It's a lovely song that goes, I think of you every time it rains. I see your face on the window pane. The drops that make up the patterns there are patterned after my great despair. Gone although it seems we couldn't miss with all our dreams. Funny with such a start we could fall apart. I think of you every time it rains, but now and then when the hurt refrains, I can't help feeling I know the fall was just the fear that we had it all. Sir, I'm counting on you, sir. Now, if you sing this well, as only you can, it will bring tears to the eyes of millions of people around the country. Of course, if you don't sing, it will bring tears to my eyes, so I'm counting on you, sir. Okay, you ready? Sir, come in on the release. Don't come in the beginning, otherwise we will not finish together. I will look like a dodo, and they will say you're cute. That's not right, sir.